YouTube, author Stephanie Newell, and this is the Life of a Writer channel. Today's video, how to write a kid's book. So if you want to connect with readers and sell more books, make sure to subscribe and get new content to your inbox every Tuesday. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a strategy that will help you to write a kid's book that kids will absolutely love. So let's get started. Tip number one, go on Amazon and decide the age range for your book. So if you go onto Amazon and look specifically in the children's book section, you'll notice that Amazon breaks the ages down by ranges. So there's 3 to 5, there's 6 to 8, and also 9 to 12. Decide exactly where you feel like your book will fit, and that is step number one. What age range does your book target? Please share with me down in the comment section below. Now, while you're on Amazon, I want you to go and take a look at your competition. Now, I don't want you to look specifically at the current books that are doing well right now. I want you to go back and look at some of the classics like Clifford and figure out what it is about those books that the kids love so much. So now that you've done some research on the classics and you have a little bit of an idea what the kids loved about those particular books, I want you to give some thought to your own book idea. The main thing that you want to remember when writing a children's book, no matter the age range, is you want to create memorable characters. While you're certainly writing for a demographic of kids, you definitely want to keep the parents in mind, because in most cases it's going to be the parent that goes on Amazon looking for books that are suitable for their children. And some of the things that they're going to be looking for is, are their kids learning something, especially if it's something for a younger age range, and also that it's upholding the morals and the principles that they're trying to instill in their children. For older kids, you want to make sure that it's age appropriate. So things that are happening in the story are appropriate for the age range of the kids that are reading it. As it relates to a younger demographic, you want to remember not to make the book too wordy. So you're aiming to write a book that can be read in one sitting. So now that you have a final draft of your manuscript, you want to visit at least 3 schools and ask, can you join their circle time or their story time where they allow you to read your book to the kids. Now what you're looking for is to find out how the kids react to your story. So are they attentive? Are they fidgety? Are they asking questions? Are they smiling? Are they raising their hands? And all of those things will help you to decide whether or not you have a good finished product. If you have a positive response, then move on to the next step, and that's publishing your book. If you want to connect with readers and sell more books, make sure to subscribe. But in the meantime, check out my video playlist, How to Write a Fiction Book for Beginners. As always, all of my social media links will be in the description box below. If you're looking to hire me as your writing coach, you will find that information there as well. And I look forward to talking with you in my next video.